Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to apply for Facebook user privacy settlement payout. Want to claim your payout from the Facebook user privacy settlement? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to apply step by step. Step 1. Eligibility. First, check if you are eligible. The settlement covers US Facebook users who had an account anytime between May 2007 and December 2022. If you deleted your account, you may still qualify as long as it was active during that period. Step 2. Filing a claim. Go to the official settlement website, facebookuserprivacysettlement.com, click Submit Claim, and you will be asked to enter your Facebook username, contact details, and payment method. Options include PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, prepaid card, or check. Step 3. Deadline and payment. The deadline to file a claim is August 25, 2025. Payments will be sent after the claims are processed, and the exact amount depends on how many users submit claims. And that is it. Super simple. Check eligibility, file online, and wait for your payout. For more quick guides, like this video, and do not forget to support us with subscribe and share, and see you in a new tutorial video.